Thank you very much, Randy. It's always great to be in studio as we answer your questions throughout the United States and Canada. Our contact information on the web, equip.org. Via the mail, it's Box 8500, Charlotte, North Carolina, zip code 28271. And as always, resource consultants are standing by, 888-7000, and the letters CRI. The science of genetics has now been thrust upon us wonderfully. And as a result of that, the notion that a 3,000-pound hippo could evolve into a 300,000-pound whale through a series of genetic missteps is no less a stretch than a Darwinian bear evolving into a whale with a tail, Darwin's view. The notion that unguided, that purposeless processes could transform the ears of a land-dwelling freshwater hippo-like animal into the system of a sea-dwelling saltwater whale in a mere matter of 10 million years should take more faith than people can muster. Unfortunately, many people believe that this has happened. Why? They've bought into the rhetoric. They haven't looked at the reasoning. And we say that the reasoning is powerful, but sometimes you have to see it with your own eyes, where a picture becomes worth more than 1,000 words, or a film on DVD worth even more. And that's what we have with Living Waters, Intelligent Design in the Oceans of the Earth. It's a DVD. It doesn't preach, but you watch this, and you know beyond the shadow of a doubt that the Darwinian model of evolution is a fairy tale for grown-ups. It simply does not comport well with the evidence and the facts. Again, the DVD, Living Waters, Intelligent Design in the Oceans of the Earth, it's a fascinating exploration of life in the liquid universe that covers more than 70% of our planet. You'll discover the mystery and majesty of sea turtles, dolphins, humpback whales, as I just described, and much, much more. It is absolutely stunning, available for your gift. You simply don't want to miss this resource. Find it at equip.org.